before we tuck in, I want to see how you lot are doing. Get in the comments, let me know how are you all. I hope you're well. I'm loving this. Come and have a look. So I've got some sheesh, wings, chicken, all cooked over the coals.
Smells amazing.
Smells absolutely incredible. Good. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. I am here in Sheffield on Eckie Road, the infamous, so I've been told, Eckie Road. We're here at Kiro. Do we get a little sign in? Chiro. Oh, whatever. I heard that the kebabs are good here. They've got a charcoal grill. We've popped in. And we've got the Kiro grill. And you can straight away tell it's been cooked over coals because you've got that char on the meat. Really, really interested to see how this one tastes. Now we've got like the full mix here. Best part of £18. Threw in a free drink. Full disclaimer, paid in full. And under here, I've got some breads to go with it. What a wonderful feast this is shaping up to be. Now, before we tuck in, I want to see how you lot are doing. Get in the comments, let me know how are you all. I hope you're well. I'm loving this. Come and have a look. So I've got some sheesh, wings, chicken, all cooked over the coals.
Smells amazing.
Smells absolutely incredible. Got my lamb, got some chicken wings here, and underneath I've got chips and some salad. But all in all, this looks pretty special. Let's dive in and give it a score. We've got garlic sauce and chili sauce sprinkled over the top. I could not be doing with the plastic containers. I can't undo on camera. So just pour it on, mate, it's fine. Right, chicken first. Here we go. Delicious. Really. Hello. Yeah. Hey, it's Peter. Come on. What's your name? Bailey. Have you ever been here, Bailey?
I'm doing uni, so it's my first time.
Are you uni?
No, I've not been there,
No.
Tonight.
How's uni life treating you?
Yeah, it's nice.
Good? Are you winning? Plenty of shagging? What? He's got a girlfriend?
Could have been caught out then.
Yeah. But look, wink if you're lying. Huh? Wink if you're lying. Oh, hey! Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Chicken, decent. It's got a really nice flavour to it. See that little char on the outside? It's like a yellow tinge from the spices. Tastes good. Not like goosebump good, just like solid, really nice. Not overcooked, juicy. Let's try the lamb. Looks apart.
Smells so good.
Really tender. Really tender. And delicious. Chili sauce. I've got a big dollop of chili sauce there. Fire. Heat. Taste. Flavours. This is really good. Now I've got chicken wing here as well. Here we go. Don't have a chicken wing, Jess. I do love a chicken wing cooked over coals. You get a great texture to the skin. Great. Very good. It's a kofta. Oh, it's try a chip. Nah. Chips and pony.
Chips.
Absolute chips. Chips. It's just like literally there. They're not even nice. They're like cardboard sticks. It was going so well. Kofta. I've got kofta, is it? Yeah. I've lost my marbles. Here's one I made earlier. Kofta, okay. So far, the lamb, the chicken, and the chicken wings have been exceptional. The bread's okay. You all right, mate? You all right, mate? And finish on a high. That lamb. Very sweet flavour to it. That charcoal undertone, which is amazing. Can't believe how bad the chips were. Literally like the cheapo frozen specials. All in all, not bad. Drink watch. It did have Rubicon. However, it's a long day and didn't fancy the sugar. Kirkland signature. Where's that from? Kirkland. What's the massive? Costco special. That was free though, may I add. I did say at the beginning. Right, I want to give this Kebab House, Shiro, whatever it's called, on Eki Road. I'm going to give this. What would you give it, guys? Get in the comments now. I would give this 7. The lamb and the chicken, banging. Cooked over coals, great seasoning, great flavour, great marinade. Nicely done. Chips and other stuff, a little bit of beige. 7 out of 10. I think you'll take that and run to the hills. Sheffield, where must we go next? And that was a review.